hungry? Are you wanting a broccoli salad? We can make one real simple. We won't need to cook anything for this recipe. But we're going to need a couple ingredients, so let's get ready. Alright, so for this video I'm going to be using fresh cauliflower. I washed it and put it in the dish drainer so that it could dry. We'll need 1/3 cup red onions diced, half a cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds, I'm not going to use any, and half a cup of bacon bits. Now this is just for the salad part. We also got to make a dressing, so let's make the dressing real quick, shall we? Alright, so to make the dressing, we are going to need a cup of mayonnaise. I just gave my cat the spoon, so now I got to use the other one. Still have cats. Alright, a cup of mayonnaise. Then we need 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar. I'm going to use apple cider vinegar for this. Two, 3. Two tablespoons. Well, then we can mix this. Like so. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't use sugar a lot, so I have packets. And then salt and pepper to taste. And then we will mix this up. And then we set this aside. Do you like fresh broccoli or frozen broccoli? This recipe we're going to use fresh. I'm just going to cut it to about 1 inch florets. Except I'm losing a ton. That's why we have multiples. This recipe, I rinsed the broccoli off. I didn't blanch it. You can, because this one's a no-cook recipe. Whoops. But you don't have to rinse your broccoli off. I highly recommend it. You never know what's going to be in your broccoli. But broccoli is one of those ones, if you don't want to blanch it, you don't have to. It just breaks it down a little bit more. Just going to cut the these down a little bit further. So if you want some depth to it, you can leave it at this point and then continue the steps from here. I have a really good pasta or broccoli salad that I enjoy. It doesn't have all the stems on there. The stems are good for adding depth. These in the direction, so they break down a little bit that way. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. It would not be good. After you break your broccoli down to the size that you want, this is where we will add half a cup of cranberry sauce or cranberries. If you want cranberries, you can add them now. Half a cup of bacon bits. You could use fresh cooked bacon if you want. But for this recipe, we're using bacon bits. Don't eat the packet in there. And then we will add 1/3 cup of diced red onion. I'm going to use more than a third, because I enjoy some red onion in there. So I'll use a little over half a cup, I guess, because that's what came out. You can also add 1/4 of a cup of sunflower seeds if you would like. And now we will add our sauce to this. And then mix that together. Use this. Get this nicely coated in there. And then we will let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes minimum. If it sits overnight, it will be even better. So let's throw this in the refrigerator covered and see how it turns out. Let's see how this broccoli salad is, shall we? That's pretty good. Could use a little more sauce to it though. So maybe next time we'll add a little extra mayonnaise. If this helps, if you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. Have a great night.